I so much appreciate the teachers that are teaching us right here. I never had any idea of welding, but as it stands now, I can weld, I can cut, I know the measurement of everything that we are being taught here, all the machines we have been fabricating.
We call this thing a cabinet dryer. I was among those that constructed it, and now I can use the filing machine, I can use the cutting machine, I can also weld. And I believe that by the end of this program, I'll be perfect in welding.
I came here without the knowledge of welding job. As I speak now, I can tell you that I can handle the turn. I can weld perfectly. The program is a very successful one. At least I'm creative for now. I have something to go home with. So I'm very grateful that I am here.
These are the things that we have produced. We have been producing for the 2 weeks that we are staying here for now. This is the garri shifter. And the next one here is the garri grinder. And the next one here is the cassava pressing machine. The hydraulic roll. This very one also is the garri grinder, as you can see. And this other one too is the garri pressing machine. Then if you come to this place too, we use all these ones in grinding our tomato, maize, and the rest of things. If this kind of thing was going on in Ogoni land earlier before now, I don't think they will have people that maybe are going to do concrete business.